Okay, so hello. Today I'll be explaining CashGem, which I have so far earned $255 on. Basically, what you do is you just earn cash for getting clicks on your referral link, such as this. You also can earn cash by having friends sign up. You get $2 for every person who clicks on it, and you get an additional $15 when they sign up. And you can also earn 20% of the money that your referrals make from each task. And you can also do different tasks to earn additional money, such as downloading apps, completing surveys, and once again, referring friends or getting clicks. Or you can create videos and earn $50. Or you can increase your traffic and post it to your social media. And you can earn as much money as the current people down here has earned. So this is CashGem.